The world of nutrition is rapidly evolving. It's difficult to keep up with all the newest trends. So, we did the job for you. The top 10 nutrition trends for 2022 offers all you need to know about the future of food, health, and well-being. Let's go to these top 10. 1. Plant-based diets. The plant-based diet is a trendy trend in nutrition since it is healthful, sustainable, and ecologically friendly. Plant-based diets are projected to grow in popularity in 2022 as individuals seek healthier lives while also contributing to the environment. Plant-based diets are gaining popularity. Many celebrities and sportsmen have embraced them as a healthier alternative to their typical meat-heavy diets. These plant-based diets should not be considered a substitute for human eating habits. They just assist the client in overcoming overeating and obesity. 2. Eating mindfully. When we eat mindfully, we focus on the present moment and the food we are consuming rather than the past or future. When it comes to dieting, this technique is not about denying yourself food. In other words, it's about being mindful of what we eat, why we consume it, and how much of it we really need. 3. Conscious calories. To keep track of the calories you eat and the calories you burn, use conscious calories. Taking a picture of your meal before and after you consume it is the goal. Keeping track of which meals are worth it and which ones aren't will be easier with this method. 4. Food as medicine. The healing power of food cannot be overstated. It is the most potent and most accessible kind of medication that we have available to us. Food is not a luxury, but rather a vital aspect of our health. 5. Gluten-free foods. These foods are devoid of gluten, a protein compound present in wheat and similar cereals. Gluten provides dough elasticity, helping it rise and hold its form. Gluten-free bread, for example, tends to be thicker and heavier. Rice flour is the most frequent gluten-free replacement for wheat flour. However, many rice flours are as heavy in carbs as wheat flour. 6. Clean eating. Clean eating has recently gained popularity as an alternative to harmful diets like fast food and junk food. It's not only about what you eat, but also how much. Clean eating is about balancing your diet so you can maintain a healthy weight while yet feeling fulfilled. Clean eating takes effort, time, and money. 7. High-protein foods. Protein is a macronutrient required for cell growth and repair. Protein may also be utilized as an energy source by being converted to glucose in the liver. Foods' protein content varies greatly. Eggs, milk, cheese, meat, soybeans, and tofu are high-protein foods. The health advantages of soy are widely known, and many people are converting to more plant-based meals that include soy. Demand for soybeans is also predicted to climb in 2022 due to the rising demand for animal products. 8. Low-fat diets. People select fat-free diets for several reasons. They could be attempting to shed weight. Others, including those with high blood pressure or diabetes, are unable to consume particular foods. Some feel fat is harmful for them, causing heart disease and other issues. Others believe it's not the fat but the way meals are cooked and blended that causes weight gain or bad health. A low-fat diet is also cheaper than high-calorie goods of greater quality, i.e., meat, cheese. 9. Superfoods. In 2022, superfoods are considered to be the next big thing in nutrition. Superfoods are foods that contain a high amount of nutrients or antioxidants and offer health benefits for every age group. Some examples of superfoods are blueberries, kale, turmeric, and spirulina. 10. Raw diets. In 2022, many people are turning to raw vegan diets because they are healthier and environmentally friendly. Raw veganism is a diet that includes fresh foods and excludes processed foods or those with ingredients that have been heated above 118 degrees Fahrenheit. In conclusion, we are heading towards a society where people will be more aware of their health and nutrition. They will make better decisions about what they eat and how they live their lives.